Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Birds are a group of feathered theropod dinosaurs, and constitute the only living dinosaurs. Likewise, birds are considered reptiles in the modern cladistic sense of the term, and their closest living relatives are the crocodilians.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The ostrich, Struthio camelus, is a large flightless bird that lives in Africa. They are the largest living bird species, and have the biggest eggs of all living birds. They are ratites, a useful grouping of medium to large flightless birds. Ostriches have the biggest eyes of all land animals.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.